Alright guys, we got a quick loop going for you. 2025, new construction, been sitting on the market a little bit, clear to close, ready to go. Category 4 furnace, PVC vent, so 95% efficiency furnace, phenomenal. Now this PVC vent itself, this is where the actual exhaust goes. Goes up through here to the attic, out the roof itself. Now, with it being high efficiency, what's happening is all that heat that's going up through the PVC vent, it's actually most likely condensating or it's leaking upstairs in the attic slash roof area. And now it's actually causing it to drip down. Boom, boom, right there, all the way to the ground. So yeah, want to get that checked out as well as fixing your ductwork so it's not torn. Skip your home inspection.